Now A, V, Y, X are still easy to work with. However, when we come to these alphabets, it does become a bit of a challenge, but something that is still doable. So you may notice that if I look at this alphabet, this curve is much more than that curve. Now you are open to making it like this, or you are open to also bringing it all the way till there and then taking it down. So just see visually what has been given to you and then try to create this. So what you need to do is, first you create the rectangle. So I have already created the rectangle. What you then do is take this thickness or the width of the alphabet and mark it, and you create a rectangle within. Now if you don't know how to do that, the easiest way to do it is you, from all these four corners, so each corner is 0. Okay, so if I were to take a scale, each of those will be 0, and then I plot 6 mm and I plot 6 mm. I do the same thing on the top, and then I do the same thing on this side as well. Now with that, what will happen is, when I put the scale over here and I join the scale down like that, and similarly I join it over here, and then I do it vertically as well, you will notice that in the middle you're getting a rectangular shape. That is the rectangular shape that will give you the thickness all around. Now once you've gotten this, what you need to do is divide this height. So obviously you have a midpoint here, so you divide the height into 2 halves, which means somewhere till there. This distance that you've got, so this and that are the same. You just pick up this on a scale, mark it over here as well, take a scale again, put it horizontally, and you place it like that. The distance you've got over here, you mark it over there as well. So that's the center of the arc, which basically means somewhere here I've gotten the center for this arc as well as a larger arc. So take this distance on the compass and you turn the piece down like that, and then you do the same thing from the larger arc and you create the arc here as well. Same thing you will have to do from below as well, and when you do that, you will start to see this shape, and obviously it's going to be the shape of a B. So sorry about the amazingly clear lines, but this is just to give you an idea of how the shape is going to look. And this, then you will have to recreate as a shape. So there are certain things that you will get to do visually. There are certain things for which you will need tools. See that you work with it, and accordingly you get the shapes.